manager at Soko Glam. So I grew up in Hawaii and I was always exposed to the sun. I definitely did not wear sunscreen every day. My routine was basically cleansing my entire face with Neutrogena eye makeup remover and using Aveeno face wash and moisturizer. I also had eczema since I was young. I would get patches on my eyelids, around my mouth, other parts like my fingers, my body. And I also deal with irritation and pigmentation, whether it's from acne scars or sunspots. When I moved to New York, my skin freaked out. I think because it's so dirty here, and it wasn't just eczema, a lot of it was from the pollution and the bad air quality compared to Hawaii, I think. So I developed a lot of small bumps on my face, as well as a lot of texturization. Even when I would put on makeup with foundation over, it was just a lot of cakiness, and you could just see that there was a lot of different textures going on my face. And so I started to do research into skincare and routines. And I thought that I would start with the really expensive, popular products. And I started there, didn't really see any results, and was obviously very frustrated. I decided my next step was to really research brands and ingredients specifically. And there I discovered slowly some brands and products that worked really well for me. I found that my face reacted well to salicylic and lactic acid and completely rejected retinoids. So as I continued to read and learn more about skincare and beauty products, I found that there was a curiosity and excitement that I didn't really feel at my corporate job in finance. And when I thought about being around people and coworkers who share that same excitement to learn about skincare and beauty, it seemed really inspiring. I found Soko Glam on my own a couple years ago, and I purchased some of the popular products back then, the Misha Essence, the Beauty Water, the Skin Food Black Sugar Scrub Mask. And earlier this year, when I decided to make that change from finance to the beauty industry, a friend of mine told me about open roles here at Soko Glam, so that's how I'm here. So before starting at Soko Glam, I was really apprehensive about toners and exfoliators. To me, I always thought that I had sensitive skin and I could just never really make it work. At Soko Glam, I just found a whole bunch of products that completely changed my mind. So toners that are hydrating, exfoliators that don't mess up your skin and totally rough it up. And hearing my other coworkers who also had sensitive skin have good results and experiences with some of these products really gave me some courage to patch test these products, and some of them have now been incorporated into my routine. I also saw the light and I started double cleansing. I'm also very hyper aware of how I care for my skin now. I always wear hats if I'm going to be outside for a long time. I'm constantly misting throughout the day. After a long day at work, especially in the summertime in New York, or after working out, I'll double cleanse immediately. I drink a lot of water, and if I ate too many fries the last couple weeks and my skin starts to break out, I know I have no one to blame but myself. So the biggest change I've seen to my skin since working at Soko Glam is definitely the texture. My skin is so smooth and soft now. Now when I'm double cleansing and I'm just feeling how soft my face is, it makes me so happy. All the little bumps that I used to have over the last couple years don't really pop up as often, and it's just such a soft, supple texture on my face. When I got to Soko Glam, someone suggested to me the Benson Aloe BHA Skin Toner, and it ended up being exactly what my skin needed. There is the aloe that helps my sensitive, irritated skin. There's the snail mucin that helps my dry skin rehydrate, and then the salicylic acid, which is basically helps all the small bumps and texturization kind of have a continual exfoliation every day. And I've noticed that after a month or two of using this product, that's been a lot of my credit to smoothing my skin out. I always stick to the same routine, even if I get home late, even if I'm on a plane, even if I'm forced to be outdoors. I'm doing all 10 steps of the Korean skincare routine, and I'm seeing the results in my skin. So it took me a couple years to figure out the products that really work for me. So I'd really encourage people to keep reading and learning about ingredients and products. Patch test them on your skin, because you'll never know unless you try it out on yourself. and to trust in your friends who want to help you on the skincare journey. Sometimes just seeing it happen to your friend or your coworker in front of you gives you that inspiration and courage to dive into a skin routine and really stick with it when you find the products you love.